The good Dell's Inspiron 13 7000 2-in-1 is a speed machine thanks to Intel's new 8th gen processors, and it has a super comfortable touchpad and keyboard combo, plus facial recognition. The bad, the battery life is a couple hours short of average, and its touchscreen is a touch too reflective. The bottom line, it's not quite as sweet a deal as last year's model was, but the Dell Inspiron 13 7000 is still one of the best sub $999 laptop options out there. What's the most important element of a laptop? To me, it's not necessarily the speed, although that's important too. It's how using the laptop feels. Starting at $850 AU $1,799 or £899. Dell's Inspiron 7000 2-in-1 isn't quite a budget laptop, but it's not priced like a premium one either. For that mid-range cost, you'll get a machine that just feels right, thanks to its stellar trackpad and keyboard, which is an area some other hybrids skimp on. But after using the laptop for a while, as in just a few hours, you run into a problem: battery life. The weak battery life of the Inspiron will be a real issue for people who do their work away from a power socket. Still, there's a lot to be impressed by here, especially for a laptop that's a good chunk under $999. That's not to say upgrades aren't available. You can get a model with an i7 processor and 16GB of RAM, which will set you back $1,049 AU $2,399 or £1,018. And there is a variant, the model we tested, with 512GB of storage for $1,100 AU $2,399 or £1,219. You'll want to go for either the base model or the smaller i7 variant, as for $1,200 you could instead opt for a similarly spec'd XPS 13.